how to replace the battery in your 1997 to 2004 C5 Chevy Corvette. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. So to remove the battery, you only need a few tools. You need an 8mm socket or an 8mm wrench to remove the negative and positive sides of the cable. And then you'll need a 13mm socket and extension for the bracket bolt at the bottom. So the first thing that I'm going to do is loosen the negative side. Once it's loose, you can remove it by hand. Just move it to the side. Do the same thing with the positive side. Loosen it with the wrench. And then do it by hand. Just move it out of the way. And the last thing is the bracket bolt. So I'm going to use my 13mm socket with extension and ratchet to remove that. Now the bracket and bolt is out, and now the battery is free and we can lift and remove it out of the car. With the battery in position, we can connect the positive side of the cable. Just going to thread it by hand. Tighten it with my wrench. Now I'm going to connect the negative side. Thread it on by hand, and then tighten it with my wrench. With that tight, we can put the bracket in position. I'm actually going to start threading this by hand as well. Then I'll grab my socket and extension, tighten it down a little further, and finally get it nice and snug with the ratchet. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.